How to fit guttering. Here, we'll show you how to fit guttering and downpipe. We are using standard half-round guttering, which is durable and lightweight, but a range of other options are also available. You'll find a full list of tools and materials you'll need at the end of this video. Before starting, carefully plan your installation and make sure you have all of the components you need. See our online guide or leaflet for information on the different components, as well as guidance on planning and preparation, safety and aftercare. Start by carefully removing and disposing of all your old guttering. Some designs can be heavy, so ask for help if need be. To establish the position of the running outlet or stop-end outlet, hang a plumb bob from the fascia so that it hangs directly over the drain. Then, use a pencil and mark the positioning of the outlet and its fixing holes onto the fascia, ensuring that it's no more than 50 mm below the level of the roof. Next, drill your pilot holes. Now fit the outlet, being sure to use the screws recommended by the manufacturer and taking care not to over-tighten. From the opposite end of the fascia to the outlet, measure in 100 mm and mark with a pencil. Hold a fascia bracket up to this point, ensuring that it's higher than the outlet and the fall to the outlet is about 3 mm per metre. Then mark the position of the bracket's fixing holes before fixing it into position with 2 screws. If your outlet is situated in the middle of the fascia, repeat this process at both ends. Now, tie a string or brick line from the fascia bracket to the outlet and pull it tight. Using a spirit level, check that the string runs slightly downhill from the fascia bracket to the outlet by roughly 3 mm per metre. From the fitted fascia bracket, measure and mark the position of the remaining brackets. They should be just touching the string to maintain an even fall, and should be no more than 1 metre apart and no more than 150 mm from any angle or stop end. Fix the remaining fascia brackets as before, being sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions and take care not to over-tighten. Before fitting the guttering, lubricate the seals with a silicone spray, as this will help to make fitting easier and will aid with expansion and contraction. Repeat this for all gutter seals as you go. Working from the outlet towards the highest point, fit the first length of gutter by tilting it so that it sits beneath the back clip. Then push down at the front to snap it into position. At the end of the first piece of guttering, fit a union bracket by screwing it into the fascia. Be sure to use the screws recommended by the manufacturer. Now fit the next section of gutter into the union bracket, being sure that the joints line up with the insertion depth that is marked onto the fittings. Then continue to join the lengths of gutter in the same way. Measure the final gap and, using a hacksaw, cut a piece of gutter to length. Finally, fit an external stop end to complete the gutter run. How to fit a downpipe. Using a plumb bob that hangs from the outlet to the drain as a guideline, draw several marks onto the wall to show where the downpipe will run. Then, using a straight edge, join the marks to create a vertical line to show where the centre of the downpipe will be. If an offset is required, you can either use an adjustable offset bend or 2 offset bends, with or without a short piece of pipe that clears the fascia. Ensure a 6 mm gap is left at the top of the downpipe for expansion. Starting at the top of the wall, position a downpipe pipe clip centrally over the pencil line. Use a pencil line to mark the position of its fixing holes onto the wall. If offset bends are required, position a downpipe clip directly below the bend. Repeat this process down the wall, making sure the space between the pipe clips never exceeds 1.8 meters. Using a combi drill and the drill bit size recommended by the manufacturer, drill the fixing holes and insert appropriate wall plugs. Working from the outlet towards the drain, fit the first piece of downpipe. If you need to add an additional length of downpipe, join the two parts with a downpipe pipe socket and clip. To allow for expansion, leave a 10mm gap between the end of the pipe and the bottom of the pipe socket. Then, attach a pipe clip over the joint. Continue to attach the pipe clips down the length of the downpipe. If required, fit a downpipe shoe to direct the flow into the drain and attach a downpipe clip directly below the socket of the shoe. Here is the list of tools you'll need to fit your guttering. And here are the materials you'll use. And this is the recommended safety equipment needed